France and Germany ordered sweeping new lockdown measures on Wednesday as a new wave of COVID-19 cases surge across the continent. Under the new French measures, which come into force on Friday, people will be required to stay in their homes except to buy essential goods, seek medical attention, or exercise for up to 1 hour a day. Schools will remain open, but other non-essential public places like bars and restaurants will have to close.
Like in the spring, you will be able to leave your house only to work, for a medical appointment, to provide assistance to a relative, to shop for essential goods, or to get some air near your house. This means the return of the permission slip. The commerce that had been defined in the spring as non-essential, establishments that welcome the public, especially bars and restaurants, will remain closed.
Similar measures were announced earlier on Wednesday in Germany. Germany will shut bars, restaurants and theaters from the 2nd to the 30th of November under measures agreed upon between German Chancellor Angela Merkel and heads of regional governments.
We demand from people to refrain from private travels and visits, including visiting relatives if these travels are not absolutely necessary. This also goes for tourist visits and day trips. Overnight stays in Germany will only be allowed for essential, non-tourist purposes. We will drastically cut back on leisure activities, theaters, operas, concert houses, and similar institutions, fairs, cinemas, and amusement parks.
The latest figures from the World Health Organization on Tuesday showed Europe reporting 1.3 million new cases in the past 7 days, with over 11,700 deaths, a 37% jump over the previous week. While leaders have been desperate to avoid the crippling cost of lockdowns, the new restrictions reflect alarm at the galloping pace of the pandemic from Spain, France, and Germany to Russia, Poland, and Bulgaria.